guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new, welcome, Wagwan. Today's video is going to be a wig review, and I love the texture, the length, everything about this wig just screams natural looking. So this wig is from WowAfrican, and it is a 360 Yaki textured Brazilian hair. And so I'm just going to show you guys how I customized the lace front before I apply the wig. So I'm using basic white, and I got it in a 30 volume, and that is the thickness of my solution. I wanted it not to be watery but thick, but not too thick. And I'm just gonna dab the solution, or the bleach rather, on the lace. So I'm dabbing, not like wiping it on. I'm just dabbing it so that my lace is just bleached to the right shade, and so that it doesn't like seep through the lace onto the hair. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna leave it on for approximately 30 minutes. So this is my wig after I washed the bleach out, and I did over bleach the lace just a tad bit, but that is okay because I will be plucking the front and it will still give the illusion that it's scalp, so that's fine. So now that the hair is wet, I did towel dry just a little bit to take out majority of the water, so I don't have to like blow dry it and cause any type of frizz to the hair, even though it is Yaki, so it doesn't frizz that much. So now I'm just combing it out, and then I'm just gonna make a couple parts to see where I want the wig to look natural by plucking it. So I am going to wear this wig in a center part, and I'm just gonna take the front there, start to pluck it. Don't do it as aggressive as me because you could potentially rip the lace. So just take your time and try to mimic your hair lining as best as possible. So I know how my hair lining looks, so I'm just trying to make the wig or the frontal look like that as much as possible. I have a big forehead, and I'm okay with my forehead, so I don't want my wig to cover too much of my forehead. I just want it to look right on my hairline. So that is what I am practically doing. And I'm just gonna repeat the same plucking pattern or method for the center part. So I don't want it to look uniform, so I'm just gonna take a couple of hair from the center to widen the parting just a little bit, but not too much, because I don't want the hair to look like it's balding. I want the hair to still look full but have that natural touch to it. To begin flat ironing the hair, I will be using this Pro Heat Titanium flat iron that goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just hitting the power button here, and on this little small monitor on the flat iron, you can actually see the temperature rising. So it goes all the way to 450, and it will show you when the flat iron is hot enough. And you can set it at different temperatures however you want. And this flat iron, it's so pretty. I love the gold with the blue on the inside, and I did receive it from a Black business owner. Her name is Sharonda C. Hogan, and I will leave her information like her webpage, her Facebook, so you can order this flat iron. Everything will be in my description box below. Never have no money from the start, so she coulda never use me. She always have my back at that moment. Now I'm ready to apply the wig. So I'm wearing a brown colored stocking cap. And now look at the wig. I applied the wig. As you guys can see, there's not much that needs to be done to the wig. I did try to do that new stocking cap method, and girl, it did not turn out great at all. Like the stocking cap method, it's too much work. It took too long to dry. I felt like my edges weren't gonna like this method, so I'm just gonna stick with my own method of applying my wig. So of course I'm using my Got2b glue, and I'm using a very thin layer because if you use too much, it's gonna get messy. The lace frontal is not gonna look good. And then I use the freezing spray, and this is just to make sure everything is tacky. It sticks to your hair or to the frontal, everything sticks well, okay? And then I'm going to use a blow dryer to make sure that it's tacky enough. And then I'm just going to bring the wig forward, create my little tiny baby hairs, or however you want the frontal look. It is super easy to do. Doing lace frontals take a lot of practice, but trust me, after a while it will become a breeze. And this edge control, it is called Smooth Edges Edge Control, and this is also from Sharanda C. Hogan. And of course, everything will be in my description box below for you guys. This edge control is like super bomb. It smells good, and of course it's black owned, and I just love everything about it. It's stuck, like not stuck in terms of like it will ruin your edges, but it does lay hair for the long run. Like all day your edges would be slayed. Now I'm just going to take my scarf and tie down my hair for however long you want to tie it down for. I left it overnight because I wasn't going anywhere right now, and that was that. So this is my final look. I hope this tutorial was very helpful, guys. Everything you guys need to know will be down in my description box below. The wig is 150 density, that's why it's a little on the thin side, but I like that because it makes the wig look so much more natural. Thank you guys again for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at dem-chev. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can come back. Hit that bell button so you get my notifications. I love you guys. Go on, big up on yourself. Mwah.